This is KP Dharigowda. Today I am going to take you addition, subtraction and multiplication of time. See, year, seconds make minute, minutes make hour, hour make day, day make month, month make year. Here in this, how we have to add? If this is the sum, 10 plus 20, 30, 6 plus 18, 14, this is 15, this is 10, this is 11, this is 4. Here, nothing is there because 30 seconds we can write, say 60 seconds make 1 minute, whereas it is 30 seconds. This is 14 minutes, 60 minute make 1 hour. And this is 14 minutes less than 60. 24 hours make 1 day, whereas this is 15 minutes. 30 days make 1 month, whereas this is less than 30, 10. And 12 months make 1 year, whereas this is 11 less than 12. Whatever may here. Here, that much no difference is there. Whereas, if here it is 50, here it is 45, this is 30, this is 15 hours, this is 10 days, this is 20 days, and this is 11 months. If it is so, what to do? We have to add. See, 50 plus 20 is 70. But 70 we can't write in second place because here 60 minutes make 1 hour. So, 60 seconds make 1 minute. So, reduce 60 from this. Take 60 units from this. Then how many units remain? 10 units. Then 60 units 1 minute. Here you have to give it to carry 1. Means 60 seconds make 1 minute. Then it became 46, this 30, 76 it is. Whereas here also same thing, 60 minutes make 1 hour. So 60 is 1 unit you have to take and carry here, and here what remained is 60. Then here 15, 25, 26 it is. 24 hours make 1 hour. So 24 is 1 unit I taken from this and given to day column. And what hour remained here is 2 hours. This is 30, 31. Whereas 30 days make 1 month. Some months have 31, some have 28, but for calculation sake we take 30. So here 30 is 1 unit I am taking and I am giving it into month. So 1 day remained here and this become 19, 20 it is. 19 it is. 18, 19, 20, 20. Not 20-20 match. 11 plus 8, 19 plus 1, 20. 20 month. No. 12 month make 1 year and 8 remained here. This is what 5. And addition of this is for you year, 8 month, 1 day, 2 hour, 16 minute, 10 second. Okay, here how we have to subtract See, take for example 1, if this is 10, 11 and this is 20 days, this is 20 hours, this is 45, this is 55, like this if it is. If plain thing is, then there is no need of doing. Whereas here, this is 50, whereas this is 55. What to do? Then you have to seconds. As we made carry given to next column, likewise we have to take carry from this. See here, 1 minute we taken. 1 minute we taken. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Then this 50 seconds, it became 110 seconds. Then reduce this 55. What we got? 55. See, 50 plus this 1 minute 60. This is 110. And we are reducing, we are subtracting 55. 55 2s are 110. Likewise it is. And 30 minus 46 it is. So, we are taking 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 plus this 30, it is 90. 90 less 45, that is 45. Again 1 you are reducing, so here it is 44. 90 minus 46 is 44. Isn't it? Then 15 minus 21, is there any possibility? No. You have to take 1 day. 1 day means 24 hours. 24 hours plus 15. 24 hours plus 15. This is 39 hours. 39 minus 21. See, 8, 1. What remained here is 18. And 10 minus 21, is it possible? No. We have to take 1 month from month. That is 30 days it is. 30 days plus 10 days, 40 days. 40 minus 20, 20 minus 1, 19. 10 minus 12, is it possible? No. So, we are taking 1 year from year. Then 10 plus 12, 1 year means 12 months. 10 plus 12 it is 22. 22 minus 12, 10. Then this is 2 minus 1. 2 is 0. Like this you have to take carry and each unit should be added to from where you taken 2 carry. Isn't it? You are taking here, for second you are taking 1 carry from minute end. So, minute means you have to make into seconds. Then how you multiply this? See, how you multiply? I am multiplying it by 50. Yes. What it is 50? No. Whatever entire box is here, that should be multiplied by 50. We are making it 50 times. Okay. See, 50 50s are 2500. 5 5 is 25, double 0. Isn't it? Then, what is this? Yes, it is 50 times it is. Whereas for calculation sake, it is not 2500 seconds, it is okay. Whereas it is not that much visible. So, how we have to make it visible? See, 2500 we have to make 60 is units. How many 60 units are here? Say 1, 2 if taken less than 60, so another one you have to take. 6 4s are 24, then 10 remains, 6 1s are 6, that is 60, 40 remains. See, 41 minutes are here in this, and here what remainder should be kept in second section, and whatever this quotient we got na, that should be kept into minute part. Okay, it means that 2500 seconds means 41 minute 40 second. Okay, one clear now. Then again we have to come here. 50 30 is a 1500. 1500 plus 41, 1541 it is. Isn't it? Then 1541 should be made into hour and minute. That is 60 parts we are going. See, 6 2s it is 120, 4 remains 3, again 6 5s are 300, 41 remains. Wow, no, 41 what carried here came here. No. Here 41. What is this? 1500 directly divisible by 16. So whatever carried is came here. Okay. Then how many minutes are here? How many hours are here? 25 hours. That quotient should be kept to the next. That is hour part. Then again 15 5s are 750. 15 5s are 750. 15 5s is 75 plus zeros, that is 750, plus 25, that is 775 it is. What it is? 775. This should be divided by 25. No, 24 it is. Because 24 hours make one day. So 24 3s are 72. 5 remains. Our sum is correct because remainder is less than divisor. So 5 taken, 2s are 48, and here it is 7 0. Then 7 hours remained, whereas 32 days are here in 775 hours. Okay. Then 50 tens are 500 plus this 32, 532. This should be divided by what it is, day na? 30 days make 1 month. 30. 1s are 30 because 2s are 60. What can I do? 3, 2. Sum is correct. 2 came. 3 8s are 24. 7s are 21. 0, 2, 2. 2, 2. And here is 22. 22 days remained, whereas 17. What it is? Months. 17 months it is. Then 50 tens are 500 plus 17. 517 it is. What these 517 are? They are months. They are months. Then it should be divided by 10. No, don't go for easy, because 12 months make 1 year. No, you should not divide it by 10, 100 like this. So divide it by 12. 12 table, I don't know, make it na. 12 fours are 48. 3 remains, 7 you taken. 12 threes are 36. 1 remains. Only month. Yes, only month remained, whereas 43 years. 43 years came. So 50 twos are 100. 100 plus this 143, it came as it is. It means that this statement is multiplied by 50. We get the product is 143 years, 1 month, 22 days, 7 hours, 41 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, thank you for listening my videos. Till today, if you are not subscribed, subscribe. Comment in comment box. If my videos you like na, there one like button is there, like it. And same thing should be taught to your friends, relatives, everybody. You have to share my video. Thank you very much.